Hi everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can increase the font size of your Blogger website. So as you can see, the font size is not that big, so we can increase the font size using the Blogger customizer. So let's check how you can do that. So for this you have to go to the Blogger dashboard, and under the theme section you need to click on the customize button. So this is how the customizer looks like. So here you need to click on the advanced option, and under the drop down menu just scroll down and click on post style. Now scroll down and here you will see this option to increase the post title font size and post text font size. So let me just increase the post text font size from 14 to 19 pixel. Now click on save. Now let me just refresh this page, and as you can see the font size is increased. So in this way you can increase the font size. So let me just switch to another website. So let me just change it and let me just view this blog. So this is the Median UI theme, and as you can see the font size is not that big. So to change the font size we need to click on the customize button. Now in the customizer you need to click on the advanced option, and here in the drop down menu let me just scroll down, and here you will see this option post font size. So just click on it, and we can increase the post font size from 14 to 17 pixel or 18 pixel, and let me just save it. Now let me just refresh this page, and as you can see the post font size is increased. Now to customize the font size further, and as you can see the post font size is not that big in the mobile devices. So to change this let me just select the paragraph from here, and let me just scroll down, and as you can see for media screen max with 480 pixel the post font size is 15 pixel. So let me just change the 15 pixel from here to 18 pixel. So it will increase the font size to 18 pixel. To find this let me just copy this code, and I will go to edit HTML section. Now I will type Ctrl+F and paste the code. Now hit enter, and this is the normal post font size. Now hit enter. So we need to search for that media screen section. So let's click enter, and here it is, media screen 480 pixel, and the post entry font size is 15 pixel. So let me just change it to 18 pixel. Now let me just save this. Now let me just refresh this page, and as you can see the post font size is increased in the mobile devices also. So I have shown how to increase the font size in Blogger website in two different themes, and if you still have any doubt regarding this then you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to join our Telegram group. And if this content is helpful to you then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe Key to Blogging. Thank you.